As we age, many notice signs like dryness in the eyes, difficulty reading small text, or dark circles appearing under the eyes. It's common to worry about conditions like cataracts or glaucoma in the future. Although these changes are part of getting older, they don't have to happen to everyone. What if I told you that there's a natural remedy, one that's easy to use at home, can support your eye health and has no side effects? That remedy is castor oil. Before you dismiss it as just an old-fashioned solution from your grandmother, I encourage you to stick around. Castor oil is more than just an oil. It has special properties that allow it to deeply penetrate the skin and tissues. Instead of merely resting on the surface, castor oil works with your body, helping to reduce inflammation, soothe irritation, and promote healing. In this video, we're going to look into how castor oil can help your eyes feel more comfortable, decrease dryness, reduce pressure, and potentially slow down the early signs of cataracts, all in a gentle, natural way. But we won't stop there. We will also explore how castor oil can assist other parts of your body, including your digestion, joints, and hormonal balance, especially in this stage of life when our bodies need a little extra care. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bloom and Nourish. By the end of our time together, you will have a clear understanding of simple methods to use castor oil that offer a gentle yet powerful way to support your health. As we begin, let's take a moment to understand what really happens to our eyes as we age. Many people believe that vision loss is an unavoidable part of getting older. While it's true that our eyes change over time, it's equally important to realize that our daily habits significantly impact how our eyes age. Did you know that our eyes have two groups of muscles? One set is for short-range viewing, like reading a book or looking closely at a screen, while the other is for long-range vision, such as enjoying beautiful landscapes or watching birds flying in the sky. The issue we face today is that our lifestyles often involve straining those short-range muscles too much. With our constant use of smartphones, tablets, and computers, our eyes are under continuous close focus. But our eyes weren't designed for such excessive strain every day. As a result, overusing the short-range muscles while neglecting the long-range ones leads to imbalances. This imbalance can cause symptoms like strain, fatigue, and long-term damage, which are contributing factors to the increased occurrence of early cataracts, dry eyes, and vision loss, even in individuals as young as 30 or 40. You might be surprised to learn that your brain and eyes work closely together. When your brain is tired, such as after a long day, the strain on your eyes worsens. This is because when mentally exhausted, your eyes cannot repair themselves as they normally would. This means doing precise work in the evening can actually weaken your eyes. However, here's the silver lining. Using your eyes for detail work in the morning, when your brain is fresh, can actually strengthen them. Yes, engaging in tasks like reading, knitting, or working on puzzles earlier in the day can provide your eyes with the exercise they need. Here's a small tip. Every hour, especially if you're using a screen, take a break. Look out a window and focus on something in the distance like a tree or a cloud for a minute or two. This simple habit gives your long-range vision much-needed exercise. Now, you might be thinking, that's helpful, but what about the dryness? What can I do for the cataracts already forming? That's where castor oil comes in. Let's delve deeper into castor oil and its surprising benefits. The very name castor oil may bring about memories of childhood or spark curiosity. You may ask, how can something that has been around for so long help with sensitive issues like eye problems? The beauty of castor oil lies in its unique structure. It contains a special fatty acid, called ricinoleic acid, which enables it to deeply penetrate tissues better than many other natural oils. Unlike most creams or drops that only coat the surface, castor oil moves through the skin and works with the body to help address inflammation and damage from within. Over time, many have found that this oil is effective not just as a moisturizer, but also as a healing agent. Here's how castor oil can specifically support your eye health. 1. Hydration. The skin around our eyes is delicate, As we grow older, it becomes thinner and drier. By applying just a drop of castor oil to your eyelids once or twice a day, you can hydrate that skin, reduce fine lines, and ease the dryness that builds up overnight. 2. Reducing inflammation. Many age-related eye issues like dry eyes or early-stage cataracts can be aggravated by low-grade inflammation. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can calm this irritation, allowing your eyes to start healing. 3. Support for cataracts. While castor oil isn't a miracle solution, a lot of people have shared that using a small amount daily has helped slow down or even reverse early cataract formation. The oil doesn't need to go in your eye. Instead, you gently rub a drop on your eyelid, and it absorbs through the skin and lashes. Some people have even put a drop directly in the eye, and they report finding benefits that way too. For instance, a lady once shared that she was advised to schedule surgery due to early cataracts. Instead, she started applying castor oil on her eyelids every night. 6 months later, her doctor told her there was no progression, and she could wait on surgery. That was 2 years ago. Let's be clear, this isn't about making bold claims or replacing medical care. It's about supporting your body with a natural substance that has stood the test of time. Castor oil doesn't force a change. It rather creates the right environment for your body to engage in healing itself, which is what makes it so valuable. So, how can you easily integrate castor oil into your daily routine? Here's a simple way to start. Number 1. Preparation. Before you go to bed, wash your hands thoroughly. Take just 1 drop of castor oil. Yes, only 1 drop. Number 2. Application. Gently warm it between your fingers, then carefully apply it to your closed eyelids. That's it. No mess, no hassle. Number 3. Observe results. With consistent use, you may notice your eyes feeling more comfortable, less dry, and more relaxed by morning. Now, while you're tending to your eye health, you'll also be caring for the skin around your eyes. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, supporting collagen and elasticity, which can lead to fewer wrinkles and a more youthful appearance. Now that you understand how castor oil can benefit your eye health, let's explore its advantages for other areas of your body after the age of 50. After all, it can be a fantastic tool for nurturing your overall well-being. Number 1. Digestive health. As we age, our digestion may slow down, leading to issues like constipation, bloating, or feelings of heaviness after eating. Instead of using laxatives or fiber pills that only offer temporary relief, a castor oil compress can be a helpful remedy. Making one is easy. You'll need a soft cloth, some plastic wrap, and a couple of teaspoons of castor oil. Fold the cloth, drizzle on the oil, and place it on your abdomen for about 1 to 2 hours. The oil penetrates deeply into the tissues, helping alleviate discomfort and re-stimulate healthy bowel movements without harsh treatments. Number 2. Hormonal balance. Women often experience hormonal fluctuations during and after menopause, which can lead to fatigue, mood swings, and other symptoms. Gently applying a warm castor oil compress to the lower abdomen may help ease this hormonal discomfort, leading to balance and comfort. Number 3. Joint pain. Relief. Many individuals over 50 face joint pain at some point. Whether it's stiff knees, aching shoulders, or arthritis in the hands, inflammation is typically the main culprit. Castor oil's deep penetrating properties can provide relief as you apply it to affected areas. I recall a personal experience when I fractured my wrist. Despite healing, the pain lingered. After consistently using a castor oil compress, I noticed a significant reduction in discomfort and regained mobility. Number 4. Breast health. Castor oil can also be beneficial for women who have had surgery or who experience cysts. Applying it gently can help reduce fibrous tissues and ease discomfort associated with scars or lumps. Number 5. emotional and physical serenity. Furthermore, using castor oil can create a nurturing moment for self-care. It allows for a tranquil pause in your day, fostering relaxation and helping you reconnect with your body. Now let's get practical. Here's how to make a castor oil compress. Materials needed. Cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. Organic is ideal. Cotton or flannel cloth. Avoid synthetic materials. Plastic wrap or a plastic bag. A towel or elastic bandage to secure it. Optional. Heating pad or hot water bottle for added warmth. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Prepare the cloth. Fold your cloth into multiple layers, about 4 to 8, to create a thicker compress. 2. Apply the oil. Drizzle 1 to 2 teaspoons of castor oil onto the cloth. Make sure not to soak it completely to avoid mess. 3. Place the compress. Lay the oiled cloth directly over the area that needs treatment, like the abdomen or your joints. 4. Cover with plastic. Use the plastic wrap to conserve the oil and protect your clothing. 5. Secure the compress. Wrap a towel or bandage around it to keep it in place. 6. Rest and relax. Leave the compress on for at least an hour. You can also sleep with it overnight. Optional tip. For enhanced absorption, place a heating pad on top of the compress, but ensure it's not too hot. Frequency of use. Using the castor oil compress 3 to 5 times a week is typically enough to see results. For chronic issues, daily use may be more beneficial initially. Storage and reusability. One of the greatest benefits of a castor oil compress is that you can reuse it multiple times. Just fold it and store it in a sealed bag. If it starts smelling or changing color, it's time to make a new one. Safety precautions. Remember not to ingest castor oil unless a healthcare professional advises it. Also, avoid using the compress on open wounds or during pregnancy unless cleared by your doctor. In conclusion, castor oil is a simple yet effective companion in your wellness journey after 50. It's about creating space for your body to thrive. You are not broken. Healing is achievable. Your body is capable of wonderful healing when you provide it with the care it deserves. Take a moment to appreciate your health journey and remember, even small actions like these bring about great change. If this video resonated with you, or if you learned something new, I would love to hear from you. Where will you apply your first drop of castor oil? Let's connect in the comments. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to take care of yourself. Healing is still within reach.